Hey guys, I have something cool also, no pun intended, ice. This Hawaiian ice machine I got a long time ago, but I think I got it at Albertsons. I'm almost positive when I was working there. And if you can see, I have some of my little cups here. I don't know if you can see them. And I'm going to shave some ice and put some syrup with it. So, let's see, it says to fill this container, well, I mean not towards overflowing, but you know. I'm going to do that first because I have, you put it in the top. Then you just press down and start shaving. It's going to be a little bit loud, so. Let's put it in our little snow cone. Ooh, I don't want to lose it. Use a straw. Yep, shaved ice. Okay, and then we're going to get our juice. I keep saying juice, it's syrup. Thing is with this, it melts because it's such a soft ice. The more you put, look at that, the more you put the syrup, it melts the ice really quick. But you could just keep filling it up. Let's see. Very good. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one. Do I have enough ice in there? I don't know. I'll just add a couple more. Very good. It would be fun for the kids. Nice when it's really hot, which it is right now. It melts really quick. Well, it might be because it's so hot too right now here. So there you go, some shaved ice. I'm sure they have these online, you know. Too small. That's why they were saying use the bigger ones. Because I kept thinking, but you can't even shut the, you know, break. Should I just drop one? Doggone it. That's why. Because you needed enough to be able to. Okay guys, so I'll take you back over to where I have all my goodies and show you how it looks. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to take you with me, take you off the, you're going to jiggle for a minute because I'm So here they are. Cute. Love it. So yeah, give it a try. And I know it wasn't very expensive. It was probably like 20-something dollars. So anyway, I just wanted to show you what the shaved ice looked like made. Okay, guys.